Hi, trading family. So I saw this video, gotta talk about it. I saw this video from one of your favorite gurus, mine too, actually. I love the guy, you know. But talking about, on YouTube, his video talking about why you'll never become an FTMO trader. And hearing a little bit, you know, once you get too winded in your explanation, then for me, that just means that there's a whole bunch of cap in the explanation. I just check out. But the logic behind it was, why don't you take $200, put it in an account, and trade your $200 before you buy an FTMO challenge? Well, for $160, you could buy a $10,000 FTMO challenge, right? And if you were to become successful on that account, your upside profit would be way more than what you would make on a $200 cash account, right? So this is why you've got to listen to what people say and ask yourself, why are they saying this, and how are they benefiting from what they're pitching, right? So that made no sense. So imagine a 10,000, let me just give it to you in simple math, okay, on why learning to trade an FTMO account is better and less expensive than trading a live account, okay? Say you had some shorts, you had $10,000 and you opened up a $10,000 account, right? You could take $156 and open up a $10,000 FTMO account. If you had that account funded, right, you can make on your $156, you can make way more than you would on spending $10,000 or putting $10,000 and risking $10,000 in an account and making the money. Your risk to reward is better. Secondly, if you were not successful trading that FTMO account, as you would not be successful trading your cash account, because if you can't trade, you can't trade, right? So if you can't trade, and let's say we go with 10% as being considered, you're blowing your account. On a $10,000 cash account, you would have lost $1,000, okay? And you would have to replenish that $1,000. On a FTMO account, if you were to blow on a $10,000 account, if you were to blow $1,000, you would have lost $156. And then to get another $10,000, you just pay another $156. So let's look at it for true value and what it is. I mean, people post things for their reasons. You know, is it because I believe this person is associated with a broker, and maybe putting small balances in an account makes brokers more money, where these funded accounts, these prop firms are getting paid. They're getting paid, and they're getting a lot of money right now and taking a lot of a broker's opportunity to make money. So just simple math. A $10,000 cash account, if you were to blow it, say that being 10%, you would have lost $1,000 of real money. An FTMO account of $10,000, it only costs you $156. If you were to blow it, it costs you only $156. So do the math.